Hmm. Nak, ang cute. Then, ano to? Coloring. Coloring book na may story. Oh, ang cool nito. Ito naman, The Parting Princess. The Parting Princess. So, ilan na yan? 3 ang 4
Hangin yung receipt.
Will it rain or snow? Ang cute! Then,
Nightingale. Nightingale. Nightingale.
Nightingale. Pen?
Pen.
Pen, dalawa. Dalawang pen yung binili namin, guys. And, ano pa? Last is this one. Coloring book din. Dalawang coloring book mo. Coloring book again. The Golden Girls. So, ilan nabili natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 items for 1,365. Plus 200 pesos for the ice cream and the bubble tea.
Ha?
Yes.